Hello everyone, welcome to today's analysis of the NQ and a little bit of the ES. Today's going to be very quick because I don't have much new things to say or explain. They've kind of done everything I expected so far. So let's take a look at what that means. We had this push down on Trump's inauguration. We had a push up, which I took profits on here. Then we came back into structure. Like I was saying, this liquidity looked very tasty. They didn't take out China's low. I was wrong about that. Then they pushed up, and then we hit more offers. We got this break of structure that's yet to be proven. And we came up into this area here and recovered the RTH gap. Now we've had a pullback, and the beautiful thing about this pullback is the amount of liquidity that is easy to take and maintain this bullish break of structure. This one here. Oh my god, please. This one. We have a lot of liquidity pockets that we can come into. If we close low here, this will be a new break of structure. We could bounce from here, but there is also a chance that we come down to these lower liquidity pockets, which I actually prefer. I prefer this area down here, this low, and there's a naked point of control here. This was a break of structure, but we could also come into this green vector recovery very easily. Our last pivot point for the current bullish precedent that we're in is kind of this low, believe it or not. LBU down here. And even then it didn't take China's low. This whole structure is really iffy. Very iffy. What do we have above us? Well, we've taken liquidity on the way down, and they just keep pushing down. We have a naked point of control here with a nice curve and a past daily VWAP up around 22.049 or 22.50. But coming there, we're going to need a catalyst. We're going to need to base out, I'd say. So I feel like this push up here is in jeopardy. We don't have much volume on the way here. And, you know, even coming down to this structural point here, this break of structure seems likely to me. We also have equal lows down here. Like, this is kind of horrendous, all of this. Whether UK brings it down or not, I don't know. I feel like UK could bring it into this pocket and then US have some kind of swipe, but even then it would be stretching. We've come into higher time frame bearish pull, and we also have on the ES a massive SMT. So just, yeah, this is it's looking pretty sketchy. And as I was saying, you know, this liquidity under here is just, it's kind of frightening to me. This is frightening. We could have such a violent pullback into all of this structure if we don't take liquidity and break out of here relatively soon. This is looking crazy. This is just like everything is below us. And we have past daily VWAPs here. Down here we have high volume node even low below it, but I mean taking longs off this would be, even then I'd be like, you know. Coming back into this wick, yeah, I might think about it. But by then, like, I don't know, this is really rubbing me the wrong way. I'm in a short from about here, this liquidity grab. I'm targeting this naked point of control just because we have news soon, Trump speaking and all of that. So we're just coming onto an anchored VWAP, but it's a sell, it's a supply VWAP. So getting a bounce here in this context, I'm not crazy sure about it. Just remember, guys, we've tapped into the higher time frame supply here. taking this and getting this kind of reaction. All the way up to the 6 hour, it looks pretty bad. Money flow wise, it's dire. After just printing a hidden div with internal money flow divergence, it could knife. This could knife. That's it. It's that quick. Is there a chance we come in here? Yeah, I think maybe US, setting up for US perhaps, but even then we would open a bit more of a liquidity pool. If we do come up here and break structure, and we take this, like if we pull something like this, my God, like we are so insanely bullish. It's not even funny. But yeah, with this below us, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to wait and see. But anything can happen. So just be aware of what can happen. We do have this above us. Could we see some kind of basing out for US to come up here? Sure. But at that stage, I mean, they would just be completely ignoring deeper liquidity, which is fine, but it's a sign that like we would be incredibly bullish. Like, yeah, after that we'd be coming up to here easily. This would just be like completely clearing the whole range and almost making a new all-time high, kind of bullish for me if that happened. But we'll assess that if it happens. For now, I'm playing this potential knife that we could get like down into structure. Yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment. All right, guys, that's it. Very, very quick today. Very concise. It's what I'm expecting. Could it happen? Sure. Could it not happen? Of course. But it's what makes sense to me. So do with that what you will. All right. Peace, guys. Chat to you soon.